let's think. Oh, sorry. Okay. You guys are supposed to be having a great day. I think watching me will help you guys have a great day. And helping me, well, helping me, what you guys will have to do is subscribe and like and give this video, not video, but video a big thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up. Sorry, my voice just went cracky. So I can't talk today. So my magic thing, but it's not magic, but I'll tell you something. There's something in here, okay? Something. Why did I say that out loud? Oh my gosh, here. There's something in here. Okay. So, that's something there. That's something. It's something y'all been wanting to play with. You all played with before, you know? So, I'm going to show you it in 3, 2, 1. Wait, I have to get it. Repeat it. Open. Oh, sorry. So, here it is. It's car. Are you guys reading it correctly? Yeah. It's caramel slime. It looks like caramel. I'll show you in just a sec. So, I'm just going to be showing you this slime only. I don't have anything else to do until in tomorrow's video. It's like 10 o'clock at night right now. So, yeah, I can't do something for tomorrow. Well, I'll just tell you what that something is because you guys are going to see it. So, in tomorrow's vlog, I am going to be doing a room tour. Dun, dun, dun. So, my room tour is going to be amazing. Oh no, seriously, amazing. How do I look? So, I'm going to be showing my outfit of the day. So, I have this cute shirt. Here, I'll show you. I have this cute shirt. It's like a dress almost. See? It goes down, down, down. See? It says, this is as jolly as I could, as I get. Not as I could get. I'm so dumb. Okay, let me tuck my shirt in so you guys can see my pants. And plus, I look better with my shirt tucked in. Oh no, my pants look ugly. You know why? Because they have food on them and a bit of slime. My other slime. But I don't want to show that one because it's really sticky and not satisfied. So here is my pants. Here, I'll show you. My pants and my ugly toes. Oh no, let's not do that. Dance thingamajiggy. I mean, let's not let them do that dance thingamajiggy. Oh, buddy, they're doing the dance. I'll show you. Can you guys see? Okay. Let's stop with that. Okay. So, here's my slime. Caramel. I'm sorry my handwriting's bad with this, but it's okay. Right? Yes, it is. Okay, guys, don't say no. Don't say no. You better not say no. Okay, let's get back on the video. So crazy, you know? Oh, sorry. I'm acting like Cyrus. Don't break here. He does this, right? Comment down below if he does. And subscribe if he does as well. So here it is. Here it is. It's in this container. It's not a glass container. It's not a glass container. No, no, no. Okay. I'm gonna be famous one day. I'm kidding. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Don't see that one. So. Wait. Yeah, I'm doing the one finger poke. But let's bring my phone down here. Wait, one second. Ugh, it's not even making noise. There we go. Okay. Let me set it up like this. Let me just move this back. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to my slime. Oh, let me move that over. I'm just rolling up and I'm just rolling it up, okay guys? In a little bowl. Oh, bowl. No, it's not even like glossy. 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 Be glossy. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Sorry for the background songs. There's no background songs. No. There's no background songs. No. That was my chip. And sorry for talking over me squishing the slime. Shh. Shh. My brother's annoying. He's literally talking so loud, spreading non, but it's like, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to cringe you guys. Okay, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I am really sorry. Okay, now let me stop talking. Don't cue the music, please, please. No bubbles. Wait. Let's be glossy over here. Let's let it form down. It forms down really quickly. Anyways. Cue the music. Did it cue? Did it cue? I don't know. Let's cue it now. It is done. I don't know if the music cued anyway, so sometimes it doesn't let me cue music, so that's really sad. So if I shake my head like in a weird way, will the music not cued? Don't worry, just me. Wait, let me open the cap first and then show it. See, I went down already, except for that. See? Doesn't it look exactly like caramel? And look at the bubbles in there. See? Nope, too dark. You guys see the bubbles? Yes? Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys a story. But it looks like I have mascara on and then I just wore it off with soap everywhere, whatever. So, have you ever guys watched people like playing this slime and then they don't know how to play with it? I'm gonna let you guys think about that. If you guys remember, just keep it in your mind. If you guys don't, just keep thinking. I'll give you guys a minute or so. Did you guys get it? Did you guys watch any or no? Well, don't slide out of here. No. Because I'm going to tell you about it. So, sorry I'm being sad. I don't know why. But, so I've watched somebody that doesn't know how to play this slime and films it, you know? Like those newbies like me. Except I kind of know how to play this slime. If you guys agree, just give me a big thumbs up. I always say that. That's okay. So, I have, and this YouTuber, I'm not going to say his name or her name. You know, it's not his. I don't remember if it was a boy or girl. Because I didn't see his face or her face. So, they were playing with the slime like no, it wasn't really aggressive, but like it was a thumb poke actually. But I don't know if it was exactly a YouTuber because my cousin showed it to me and it was in Facebook and it said YouTube, so I don't know if it's actually true or not. I don't know if this guy was a YouTuber or not, you know. So, yeah, and it was really weird. Don't watch those people, guys. It's unsatisfying. It turned my heart like this. Look, my heart's like this, right? Like this. Boom. Like, gross. Okay, now let's end the vlog here. Like, I wasted 16 minutes of your time, sorry guys. So, bye YouTubers! I hope you guys are all having a great day, great rest of your day, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up. Well, I'm gonna put my slime on it anyways. Say bye-bye to my caramel slime. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry. So, yeah, that's it for my video. Make sure you guys, to say again, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, and if you really enjoy my video, make sure to subscribe. If you don't even like my video, anything, like if you don't enjoy, just subscribe. Come on guys, who doesn't subscribe to videos? Like, come on, be normal, be a normal person. So yeah, subscribe to my videos and give me a big thumbs up again, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.